Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. I want to show you this headphone. This is Bluedee Wireless Audio Active Noise Cancelling BH200. This is what we got here. Noise cancelling, high-res audio, comfortable, extra bass. 10 meter connect range, 40mm dynamic driver, 50 hours of play time, 800 hours on standby time. This is what we got here. We're going to unbox this headset, check it out and see what is inside. I'm excited. Are you ready? Here we go. Look at that. This is the information pack. Bluedee. And see what it looks like. Bluedee headset. There's a bag in it. This is Bluedee information pack. Bluedee BH200 headphone. Aux cable, and this is the C to USB cable to charge this headset up. You see the phone, very comfortable. Can extend it. Got foam here, comfort on each side. Just gonna remove this. You can see this is the L and this one is right. Bluedee headset. This is very comfy. This is Bluedee headset, and you can see you can rotate it, extend it this side. Also you got top foam on the top, and also nice comfortable foam on each side. This one is right and left. Then the buttons, you switch this on and off. The center one is on and off. Power on. You can see Bluetooth showing us blue color, looking for available Bluetooth device. You can see how flexible it is. This is very comfy. This gadget deserves your attention and highly recommended. I ordered this online, so I thought to show you what it looks like. This is Bluedee BH200 headphone. Highly recommended. Thank you very much and stay blessed. Thank you.